Hello learners. So today in the session we are going to understand what is the group by here. Okay, how we'll use the group by in Power BI. Okay, so I have this sales data sheet with me in Power Query Editor. You can see I have a date, I have reason, product, quantity and unit price. Okay, so I wanted to see what is the on the basis of reason and the product, what is the quantity and unit price. So we have this option group by. So I'll click on this group. I wanted to buy the total sales by reason. So for that I need to group by. Click on group by. Okay, and here we have a two categories, either the basic group by and advanced. If we have the one category where we wanted to analyze the data on the basis of only one thing, one matrix, then we can use the basic. Okay, let's suppose I wanted to see the total sales happened on the basis of reason by group by reason. So first thing we'll explore basic. So on the basis of reason, I wanted to see what I wanted to see total sales. Okay, and we wanted total sales as sum. So on which column I wanted to do this? On unit price. Okay, so I'll go to here. Sorry, not unit price. We should have a total. Let's say unit price. Okay, we have a unit price, total price. Okay, I click on total price. Click on OK. So if you see what has happened in East, this is the total sales happened on which. So on category wise, on reason wise, we got the total sales. Okay, if I click on, I reverted back, I'll show you this another scenario. Now I click on group by. I wanted to see on the basis of reason as well as on the basis of product. So I again click on group by. Here you can see for that reason, for that case we need to go to the advanced. Okay, click on advanced. Here you will get the number of grouping. You can add more than one columns as a grouping, and you can add more than one aggregation also. I will first cover this and then this. Okay, so I wanted to group my total sales on the basis of reason as well as on the basis of product. So I'll click one more and I select product. Okay, here also wanted total sales, and I want this sum, and here I wanted on the basis of which total sum, total price. Okay, so what will happen? I get the total price. What I'm expecting here, total sales I will get on the basis of region as well as the product. Okay, the combination of this, you can see here in East region laptop sale is this one, in South region phone sale is this one. So we are getting one aggregation here, and group by region and group by product. Okay, let's revert it back again. Now the third scenario in group by is where we wanted to see the total sales happened as well as total quantity placed for each region as well as product. For that we'll go to group by, click on advanced. Here we will want region. We will group our data on region and product, and here I wanted total sales. We'll aggregate total sales, same thing which we did in last scenario. Here we have a total price and we wanted total quantity also placed. Okay, so for that we'll name it as a total quantity. This is the name of the column which is going to generate total quantities, and quantities spelling is correct. Okay, total quantities is the total row or sum of what quantities. So total quantity which is placed on reason as well as product, and total sales which is placed in product within each of the reason. So that is the thing. Click on OK. Okay, boom, we got here. So total sales which has happened on laptop category within this region, and total order placed. So this much order has been placed out of this 528 orders. This much sale we got it for product category in the region East. So this is how we can use the group by, and we will analyze our data. Okay, hope you like the video. Thank you.